Okay, so this is challenge 10, the square root calculator. And we started off, you had to get integer input. Just another reminder here in case you're still having trouble with this one. It's the int command. Notice if I select its bracket, its partner bracket is the last one. The whole, we want to get it turn into an integer, whatever they input. So the whole input command is surrounded inside it. That gives us two brackets at the far end. Now, once we've got our number, we're going to find the square root of it. I've chosen to use the ** method. Doesn't matter if you imported math at the top and used the math.squirt method. Then we've taken the value that we've got and I've rounded it. So I've said, take the value that's stored in there at the moment, round it to 3 decimal places and store this new value back in it so that it's now permanently got 3 decimal places. And then I've said print, and I've used an F string to print out the sum of the number. Now, if you have a look up here, I'll just run it again. So we'll just run it with some numbers that we know. So we'll try 25, and you can see it says the square root of 25 is 5. And then if we try a number that will give us an unusual result, we can see that it actually rounds to 3 decimal places like it's supposed to. Okay. Next thing we're going to take a look at in the next video is selection. So if you're done with this one, move off and have a look at the selection stuff.